Slotting just below the firecracking A45 AMG is the new A35 AMG. Think of it as an intermediate step between full bonkers and serious hot hatch fun. It looks super sleek in sedan form, although Mercedes does offer it as a hatchback as well. We love the subtle aero tweaks around the front end and the neat lip spoiler at the back. In fact, we reckon the back is its best angle. It looks really fat and hunkered down, like it's ready to pounce. The latest A-Class is underpinned by the company's MFA2 platform, featuring McPherson struts at the front and a multi-link rear end. Obviously, being an AMG model, this version comes with dedicated sports suspension as well, including adaptive dampers with different driving modes. This test car also shows off the awesome matte black 19-inch alloy wheel option. Taking a look inside, you are instantly blown away by the red and black leather combination, and the very fancy digital dash. And check out those climate vents. Although it is all very nice and clearly upmarket, we think some of the controls and menus are a little too complex. It's almost like Mercedes puts fanciness in front of functionality in some areas. Nonetheless, the sheer level of technology and multitude of display options is very impressive. Rear seat space is surprisingly accommodating for this class, with decent legroom, climate vents, and big bottle holders in the doors. We love the design of the door handles as well. Boot space is measured at a decent 430 litres, which is pretty good for a small sedan. And it's also 60 litres more than what you get in the hatchback. Power comes from a 2-litre turbo 4-cylinder. Even though it is the same size as the A45 engine, it does feature a different engine code and different components. The compression ratio is also a higher 10.5 to 1 compared with 8.6 in the A45. This is what it goes like